boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, and this is the Weeknd song Call Out My Name. A great choice. First and foremost, we have set the capo on the 4th fret, and it's a standard tuning. And this song is not your normal guitar song, so to speak, but you can always make it to a guitar song, and this is my interpretation of how I would play it amongst people. So let's go on. It's based on 2 chords only, very easy. It's E minor like this, and it's the B minor like this. And for the verse and the pre-chorus, like in the song, it's played like it's a plucking, you pluck notes, tones in the verse, and I've chose to play it like this. You can probably do it in other ways, but it's based on 2 grips and the 2 chords, the E minor and B minor. So the first grip, it's on the 2nd fret, 1st string, like here. On the 5th fret, 2nd string, with my little pinky. And on the 4th fret, 3rd string, like this. And the pattern you play, you pluck it with the bass note. In this case, it's on the 6th string, the bass string. And you pluck this together with the 1st string, so like this. And you go on with the 2nd string, and then the 3rd string. And this goes round and round, so it sounds like this. 4 times. And the next grip is based on the B minor, and you hold it kind of in the same way. Just I let this long finger go. So it looks like this. The bar on the 2nd fret, and the rest looks like a B minor, except for this long finger. And this is how I pluck it. The 5th string is the bass string in this case, and I pluck it together with the 2nd string. So the pattern is 5th and 2nd together, and then we go for the 3rd string and then 4th string. So together it sounds like this. 4 times. And that is basically the whole thing, how I would play it when I play the verse and the pre-chorus. So together it sounds like this. And when you come like to the chorus, it goes on like a small bridge. And this I play on the 5th string, 2nd fret, the 5th fret, the same string, 5th string, and the 4th fret on the 4th string. And then you come to the chords with the strumming pattern. So it sounds like this. So for the chorus, it's still the same chords. It's E minor and B minor. And the feeling is like, yeah, it's very slow, and you can fill out more if you want, but it basically is like this. Down. And so on and so on. I make this a little bit more, So I choose to play like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And you can choose to do it however you like and what fits for you. But I like this way of playing this, where I start with the bass strings, so to speak, the top, the lower strings here, and I answer with the higher, brighter strings down there. I think it's a good way to have this good effect and good sound. So you can choose to do it however you want. This is how I would play it when I'm with people, and it's an easy way to just to get the feeling, the right feeling for this song. So folks, that is basically it. I hope you enjoyed this one, and please leave a comment and subscribe if you like this channel. And please also leave a comment on if you have any wishes for next songs. That will really be helpful, and I will appreciate this one. So we build this together. Keep in touch and see you next time. Bye.